light.
أعوذ بالله.
يا قوم كلها.
Not dirty. Looks like it's been through a storm.
My car been through us.
Your car's clean now.
Took a long time to clean because I couldn't wake up in time. And the bus service said 2 hours. India. We into close. Look here, rolling back. Do you see? Look, it's rolling back. Keep it up. What's it doing?
The fuck?
It's rolling back and he's not paying attention. It's good for the video. Good.
What was he doing?
He was rolling back. He wasn't paying attention.
Nah, but like, what was he doing that he didn't pay attention to his car rolling backwards?
Probably on his phone.
I should let him go into me.
Brand new car. Yes. This is how we get in these new cars. Everybody. If you are listening.
Everyone thinks we did drug dealing. No, we're doing the.
We let idiots crash into us.
Because there's so many on the road these days. The bumpers, there's no one inside.
It's 10 o'clock.
Is it closing time?
Yeah, too much.
Oh, no wonder. This is where that guy was on the road drunk. I nearly went into him.
Here?
Yeah. I came back from Manchester. I went through here. I couldn't be bothered going. I thought, go through local. Nice, quiet drive. And nearly crashed into him. I think I was in my Polo. Or was it the Audi? I can't remember. Cannot remember.
Have you talked to all of them before?
Yeah, all the time. Why?
Yeah, we go.
Huh?
We go one day.
Yeah. I've not been in the centre, like the centre exactly. You know where the centre?
Yeah.
I still can't believe that. East is east.
The black one.
Yeah.
That one.
It wasn't bad, it was just strange. It didn't make sense.
The food was alright one.
Yeah. I think the Manchester one is
Manchester should be
unbeatable one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think they put the most into that one because they know that's the one that does the most in it.
Yeah. It's biggest as well.
Oh, definitely. By a mile. can see here, look, they need new wipers. Oh yeah, that was a beauty.
How many horsepower is this? 2 million?
550.
Mashallah, mashallah. Out of 1
Oh,
liter.
are they building houses here?
Doubt it. Probably a business.
Huh?
Probably a business.
Because this is a big massive.
It would be sick to put houses there though.
No, they are, look here.
You sure?
What's
yeah,
this?
they are.
Yeah, look, 2 or 3
houses.
bedrooms.
Oh, they're putting loads in.
They're going to
There'll
be
be at least
expensive.
40, 50 of them.
They're going to be expensive, though, aren't they? Say about what, 200k?
More than that.
250.
Look at the area. They're 400.
Yeah, all these houses here cost about
Yeah, 4 or 5 bedroom. $500,000.
People will pay though, won't they?
Yeah, yeah. This close to the sale. He pulls out.
Oh yeah, you were telling me, innit? And then you could have got your
I got
money.
annoyed with that.
You could have got your money back, innit?
Yeah, now I have to wait for years and years and years.
Sorry?
You are right, you are right. No left, right.
Indeed. Model S. Model S. I find them so ugly. Model S. Tesla Model S.
I found the big one.
Model X.
X, yeah.
Oh
That's massive.
yeah.
It looks like a massive 7-seater Prius. That's what
Yeah, they're really far, aren't they? Everyone's nice because they're overhyped and because Tesla, innit?
Yeah. God will look.
Does he?
Yeah.
He's not.
One's Bosch.
Which one?
I don't know. Probably a Volkswagen.
They're nice. They're about 80k, aren't they?
Yeah.
Saying that depends what kind of spec and stuff, innit?
Next video is nighttime driving.
For your car.
Yeah. I wanted to drive the Audi one.
Which Audi one?
The new one. I'm at the Nissan G-Cup when I drive it.
When's that?
Huh?
When's that?
I don't know. I need to find it.
Are you gonna ask him?
Yeah, yeah. Definitely.
You can hire that car out. You can they give you the car for 24 hours, don't they?
Yeah, that's some people.
Which car companies do that? Or does Invisibly do it?
Volkswagen does it 48 hours.
Yeah, Volkswagen does it. But which cars?
Mainly the mid-tier spec ones.
Is it limited to one car for? So if you
Yeah, after the 40 hour you can take it.
can you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so it's not just on one, innit?
Technically I can go on, but then you have to insure yourself. It's not covered by
But your insurance will cover it, won't it?
no, my one. Yeah, no, you have to be a seller.
If you're over 25, it will, wouldn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
No, if you're under 25, it wouldn't. Eh?
The lane assist.
There's nothing there.
The lane assist.
I don't know. It says I don't know what it was.
What the fuck is that?
It said something was in front. There's nothing in front. I think it got kind of confused.
The rain.
It's in the bumper, isn't it?
Was it like a circle?
This is square. In the bumper at the bottom. Look at it.
Yeah.
In the old Golfs are like that. That one in the old Golf like that. But it's 40 by the way, isn't it?
Yeah.
The speed clusters too jump together, don't you think?
Which one?
The numbers.
Yeah, yeah.
Do
The
they-
right side, yeah.
The two jump together. It's confusing.
Because the phone's too big.
Yeah. Like, you get what I mean? Like, they could have
Yeah,
stretched it a
I
bit
know.
more.
I like the phone though. You know how it's like.
Yeah.
Can't see shit.
It's getting a bit too easy to put this on. It's getting a bit cloudy. There's a lot of houses there, isn't it? A lot of kids and a lot of stuff. Well, that's right, probably.
What I didn't do is change it to different fans. Like I only cleaned out these fans and I cleared out this way, the flow one. So when I put it to the floor, it smells. You know when I put the
This.
Dettol disinfectant.
Yeah.
You cleaned out these bits of like dirt and mold and shit. Yeah, smell.
So put it in again.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna make a video on it. I've never made a video the first time.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it works, you know.
Dettol, yeah, Dettol's really good. Outside temperature's gone down to 4 degrees. If you wanted to know. I don't know why you'd want to know.
I seen it, but not really.
Well, it's raining. Yeah, I think it means later on at night you might get ice in it.
It's quite comfy though.
Yeah, it's comfortable ride. Yeah. You could do a long haul drive in this, to be honest, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you could do.
You wouldn't complain.
I wouldn't go for the 1 liter.
No.
No chance.
I mean, if you're worried about fuel cost and all that, then yeah, but
Even that,
you know, you still want some power though, don't you?
no power.
Yeah. Yeah, the 1 litre is questionable, but most people go for it because it's economical for them, isn't it?
Yeah.
And they get insured on it. Imagine the insurance in this. It'd be very good, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Well, I think it's more of a risk.
In what manner?
When you need it to pull, it doesn't pull. You have to like predetermine it.
You have to put all your power into it, innit?
Yeah. Like you have to be ready. You have to make it ready before.